You start a sentence with total confidence. The first few words come out smoothly, but halfway through, you suddenly realize you don't know how to finish the grammar structure you started, and the whole sentence collapses. If that's happened to you, it's not because you don't know English. It's because of exactly how the sentence was built from the very first word. Here's what's actually going on. When you start a long or complex sentence, something with an if clause or multiple connected ideas, you're committing to a structure before you know where the thought is actually going to land. It's like stepping onto a long bridge without knowing if the other side is even finished yet. Halfway across, there's nothing left to stand on, and the sentence breaks apart in the middle. This is the before state, one long, ambitious sentence structure, launched with confidence, collapsing the moment it demands more grammar than you'd actually planned for. The failure doesn't happen because you lack knowledge. It happens because the structure itself was too fragile to finish safely. Here's how to stop building bridges that collapse and build something sturdier instead. Step 1. Use the short clause pivot. Instead of building one long, complex sentence, break your thought into two short, simple sentences. If I had more time becomes I don't have much time. That's the problem. Step 2. Finish a thought before adding complexity. Say the simple, complete version first, then add detail in a second sentence, rather than trying to fit everything into one grammatically ambitious structure. Step 3. Practice noticing the moment you're about to overcommit. The instant a sentence starts feeling too long or complicated, that's your cue to stop and split it before the collapse happens, not after. This is the after, the same idea, delivered in two short, sturdy pieces instead of one long, fragile bridge. Nothing gets lost. Nothing collapses halfway through. Try this today. Next time you start a complex sentence, stop halfway and split it into two simple ones instead. If this helped, subscribe. Simba Eduzone posts a new English mindset video every week.